Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of these boosters for the Star Wars Unlimited game, and this is from the Twilight of the Republic set. So let's see what we can get in this one. To the side, and we start with Padme Amidala. Great art. The other side, beautiful. And here we have Taipaka City. So continuing, we have Separatist Super Tank, Dandups Loyalist, Perilios Position, great art, Droid Commando, Batch Brothers, Knights of the Republic, Droid Cohort, Droid Deployment, Hotshot V-Wing, Nameless Valor, Rune Hako, Jess, and our rare In Defense of Camino. Nice art. And as a foil, another rare, nice, Sly Moore. Beautiful. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.